Mwe umfofondela ndawina chitonga. Zambia. Ishitata ili na ifwe. Na lala ndamuchive mbana muchinyanja. Muchingoni. Mwe bali pano bonse tule mutotela pakuti mwise. No kwisa achita witness. Nomination yaba kangwa chileshe ba mayor, ba incoming mayor. Banelekeni mwewe ili opportunity ya fwewe na Lusaka ukutira tulange tutukabola la tu PF ukutira tule mufwaya mwawe ndala mashabantu tule fwaya tule lomba kuli bonse mwewe na Lusaka. All Lusaka residents, those who are voters, please, this is your opportunity to show PF that you don't want them. They are criminals. They are total criminals. Now, mumona kutuwa yashita fire brigade pali $1 million. $1 million instead ya kutubatuwale kuli cholera. Ukushita fight cholera, waya tuwala matumba yabo. Lelo ndefo kumweba kutila kumwewe na Zambia, mwewe ne, you must blame yourself. How can you go and vote for a criminal party in the name of, which is led by Edgar Lungu? Edgar Lungu na to minister to work, the only job that they are doing today is to steal your money. Come on, Zambians, let's wake up. Let's rise to the occasion. This is an opportunity for us now to show them that we don't want them. I know they've already started dishing out money. They've already started dishing out money, but take it, it's your money. That is stolen money. If you look at 2010, 2011, Edgar Gwetenda Lama, Adina Matropico, Eka Kaiser Zulvani Nenda Lama, Leromaya Bulo to my Chinese Avic. Like a representative Kawaka Thomas who sort you out when we come into power. We'll make sure that you retain the money. We should not allow these criminals to continue stealing with impunity our money. Nindala Mashieno. When you are buying cooking oil, when you are buying medicine, mwadiba taxi, every Zambian pays tax. Shirienda ramanga shaya ku government bayaiba in the name of ukupange misebo ati yotule mupangire misebo nafuma mulu mumba road nomba bale panga bapere ba avic imisebo alalekeni mwe mana mutemo ati bale mupangire misebo na wona abatemo ati bale isusha matu so tamufile ukutira mupose iyo opportunity number kutira ati mubalanga uti you don't want PF. PF has stolen your money. There has never been this kind of theft and stealing with impunity, without shame. They don't care about you. They don't fear you. Because I'm sure hello? Here we go. Zambia! We are like to be able to PF. Why? Come on. Zambia? Serious business. I think we don't have time. Time is of importance. The president has to come and introduce our mayor candidate. Vibrant mayor candidate. And his dear wife. My dear brothers and sisters, I still repeat, this is our opportunity as Lusaka residents, those who will be casting their vote in the next 30 days. This is your opportunity to show PF that you don't want them. We are sick and tired. Let me tell you, this has come as a blessing from God. Lesatila ati babantu bachula lekeni tulange ba PF okutira ati ba PF muli bakabolala tieni tibaonese next election ati sitimufuna, because if you allow them again, you understand, to win this seat, they will think that they are still popular, and yet they are not popular. Every Zambian today, every household today is crying. It's either they cannot afford to take their children to school, they cannot afford to have 3 decent meals, they cannot even afford to buy fuel, even food of all things, even bread. Some homes now can go without bread, and yet bread is a basic food which every home can afford to buy. Nombalo lesheri tulefirwa ukufuma pano bambita tuishi benefo twala yadia ushatisu mecho. So bala isa bamupele akatenge kakwa ediga mule umfo na chensa no kuchensa ina na ikuta imwe mwe bantu muli na njala amutia itifuna PF zampeleka kuti baramula. They promised you more jobs, muli na nchito. They promise you more money in your pockets. Mulina ndrama. Banamuna mati lower taxes. Ma taxes wajuva. Ama taxes tabaruesha instead wali chitandwa wali lunda. Now you Zambians, what's wrong with us na papa? What's wrong with us? How do we think? If it takes us time to come and realize that this government is wrong, this regime is wrong, it doesn't mean well for the Zambian people. So my plea to all of you, more especially those who will be casting their votes very soon, please don't vote for PF. Vote for UPND, which is led by our able, vibrant, brilliant leader in the name of Ushenga mwalolesha tu PF tonse tulatumutulimile muloleshe na ife group yesu ushekwe na tete tutege pomwino ushefo tukesa muhwiba ifo twalikuwa tafyonse lomba bena fide bale kumbwa kulifwe bale kumbwa whisky blue label yo tushirwa nokunywa bena lomba la mubichita pala no gold label. They are using your taxpayers' money. Now, in conclusion, colleagues, let's go flat out and campaign. Let's mobilize. Moleonfo, if what we sakamana, ngatulina insala, ngatulefwa yefisuma, first to fule tuacho, takwa befisa ngameno ya mukano. Ila ile PF bale yangila lelo. Tonse tulatulipo tatualiko fweba alechita sponsor PF taifwe lero taifwe bafunyamo bachishimba mbwili teba ale imana na overall ni shukuri ya MMD ale alechita demonstrate alechita protest kuntuan ku State House, one man protest alechita bene kalaba badia everyone wishishia kutila no wapula to be on Saturday's side. Lero tabawa tamfishe they are not the owners of PF. They are Kamolala. Each of them want to money. Bonse number tuishire wila kuliaka inde. Panto tumwana ukwete vision for Zambia and for Zambians. Ushe aga inde chile malefo huya mundeke. Ushe ta already takwele ndeke. Mwalimu na tuya na basi nga turefo na mvelo mbali na tutu wakwele ndege tu wakuka sama. Zambia. Kushaka ile chile malefo wa T-Bone. Nomba. Ama T-Bone ngarefo kuti hata nitamike ya fika na kuchoma. Zambia. Ngabuli shobu ngala ya kuisa. Ifotwali kwanisha tatulela nda pano tuiminine te kutra tulefo kutra tukese muibila ifotulefo kumulandila kofie echo mufili okweba bonse fyabena Zambia utra we mean well akainde ichilema UPND means well Tetulo tumalida tuwakutila nato tulefua tuleisha nombama GX oyo bashaense she alenda na patapata palapa office pa GBM wepali PF mduani office lelo alefua nomba achile na GBM okuina Mulandu wala isa onda kabili pani tuishi kutashichela mwisa ichi ya pamuru batitashani ngana tinji punande ko chile chibemba chalandile fada bwalya ayi bere basata abantu babena bebero kutirati ichi akutwele pamuru palya echikakubwe efonde baba PF kutira ichi amutwala palya echikamuwesha na wakamuwesha ni banani Unyeni amaboko ngani mwetu mwana Zambia ututu watu wa mano tunono sana bena la mwene kwa chuku wa president kumbelela teti bepisheko kaunda teti bepisheko arabi atepo wali ulikuisa lekeni tukabali yotola walekeni Zambia Kanishitali apita nisha mfuiro kuyatusha mwishire kale kanisha at this point in time na la mwimishako wa president wesu wa haka ile hichilema Mr. President Zambia. Simukambisa. Maona imitengo hii. Makamba hii. So mukakambisa mukayanka maningi mitengo izapasa message kuli uja muntu ankala muja ujia vichitika kuja kusai. Zambia. Thank you very much. Ziko mkwambili machoma kwanje. Mtuani shangwe mulishani muluri mwalimu yauti Zambia mlalibisha choni sena tuamwe Zambia. I think my colleagues, today is a good day in a way, in a clear way. Vice President akambakale vambi babwino niona atumambela because we must use our ears to hear and our brains to do the right interpretation and act correctly. I have a few messages for you. We filed successfully in Lusaka for mayor, in Chilanga for chairman, and other chairmanships and councils around the country. I can say congratulations to all our teams across the country who have successfully filed our nominations for various elections. Ziko Mwambi. It's not easy under the PF brutal regime. It's not easy. Just to file is not easy. So we must thank those who are working and working very hard on our behalf. Secondly, to add on a few messages. Bambili Tamberakari. The first message within the second issues, election cannot be won paka mwa. Stinga wine election paka mwa. Pa microphone hapa. Tumina tizikamba. But election tiwina mu field.
election tima wina mu field. So the critical chito muli nayo tili nayo ni kuyenda mu campaign mobilization. Some of you nimewapata officials hapa. Day yo voter ulibe na muntu umozi ututenge ku polling station. Kama ndiwe party official. Seniors we are. Seniors you are. Some of you, all the way mwenda ku nomination, you walked here, on the voting day, you don't vote. But mufuna kangwa wili. Azawi na pakamwa, azawi na kustashani. Kufuta. Mnaiona Chilanga. Only 14,000 people wanavota Mchilanga. 35,000 people si wanavota Mchilanga. But when I was going around word by word, inaenda Mchilanga moja, word by word, we went many polling stations. Na wauza bantu mukaende mukuvota. Everything tichita nomination ija panotika amba track ino what do you call this? Speaker here. The only reason we got this speaker, we spent money, is to use it to talk to you so that you can mobilize and you can vote. So everything you see, Secretariat muona hii, ilipe nchito other than assisting us to mobilize people, kuti tell your voter waka vote. Tivela na bwino. Anything we put, kandala makangono, niko tutandiza tiste mobilize bantu, tell your voter waka ende mukuvota. I want you to shift your thinking that we are here supporting UPND, we are members of UPND, we mobilize people to come to UPND only for one reason, to get them to vote so we can win an election. Tambela na bwina bwina. Tambela na bwina bwina bro. Why mumukala mumanyumba day your voters menda? Koma tigaitana rally muri so full. Timenyewa isebo mangiwa timangiwa. The only reason timangiwa antilibe manta ologantu gatwanga bwajali mitwapiruga mu UPND uma politics mania to win to lele. First major job is for us to win, and we must win big. To win big, we must campaign. And then on the voting day, take a vote. Na mikupa wana wa Yesu. Nikupempa, nelomba. Sometimes we act like machines, Like machines. We are happy today, but we forget why we are here. Why are you here? Is to vote, to mobilize, to vote so that Pastor Kangwa can become Lusaka Mayor. And we know why we want him to become Lusaka Mayor. We'll talk about it some other time as we start the campaign. Today, I want to change your thinking to the importance of voting. Now, you can't vote weka. Stinga wine na vote mo. You have to campaign. Mulindira camp. Umbela mulindira makampa zayambali. Kampuni ya chani. You are party officials. Each polling station, each polling station, we must have branches in Lusaka. 34 men structure, 33 youth, 33 women. There is our camp on which we must campaign. There is our camp there. Mufuna camp it. Around the polling station, Mamene Munka Alapaja, iwe official. So our first job is to make sure that our structures are working. They are there. Then we recruit a few voters. That's my message. I don't want to say a lot because what my brother said is correct. I'm adding one or two angles. Use that branch, use that word to campaign. Sometimes we separate our thinking. Zambia forward, Zambia forward, Zambia. What is that thing we're shouting about? Is to use it to mobilize people to go and vote. So campaign in your home areas. kuyambira lero osalindira kampu mungeni mu kampeni ine kwanga kuja ngati mbwera kwanga mwapita paja munjira chabe bakakuona tili ba UPND every day mukapita forward. Those are my branches. Yanga ineneka my branches yanga. On the voting day, I'm taking all my branch officials, my members to vote myself. I'm taking them to vote for Kangwa. Including my children. I want to tell you what I've done. 2 of my children in the home were in school. They were doing courses during holiday. When this election for mayor came, I called them. They arrived 3 days ago to vote for Kangwa. They will be here and stay until they vote for Kangwa. That is part of my duty, not as a president of UPND, but as a member of UPND. First, what is your duty? Is to do the same. Mwana wanu, lulu wanu, anaenda kwinangu, olafuna oyenda kwinangu, ask them bankaleko first pa nyumba until they voted. Timeranega? Mumbela mkani, maotera mubandi, mule uvo wino. It starts from there. Don't disjoint yourselves. Because every time you say, kulibe bandu wachita campaign kuno. A president kuwa detain kuno. Nakatindi polling station, kulibe wachita campaign. Where are you, those who live around there? Mubira nchito banchi. So imagine in Eneka, my kids who vote, it's my duty to make sure they are available. I've brought them all the way. My wife votes, I vote. All my workers where I live there, who live with me, they vote. I am checking on them. Even this evening, I have a roll call. Kuchakuyatika, nina roll call iwe, pili bwera kuno, tembo bwera kuno. Iliku di voters card ya. Waika pati. Osa ika izata ika. Ikani hapa. That's my duty. You must think like that. And then my branches. So I have told Madam Campaign Manager, I don't want you to plan to move my branches to the voting day polling station. I am moving them myself. You must move yours. He must move his. He must move his. You must move yours. Muzaona ya tundala matamene muri ilatiza chepa. We only move other people. At least you can move yourself, your husband, your children, your nieces to the polling station. So let's campaign. That's one message important. Second message, we must protect the voters and the vote. Even in Chilanga last election, after Takamba, Mufuna Munkale, my polling agency, come on the day of voting, one can slap whatever. Yes, Wachoga polling station. So, Nchito always a minimum guirai, Tataya Mumans. You understand? Let's protect the voters. Go out to vote, having mobilized. Let's protect the voters. Let's protect the vote. Even if it's tough out there, mukaende mukuvota. Because parali muma bwera ka, ngata itanarali mukanya mumubwera so, but you don't go to vote. So go and vote, even if it's tough. Protect your vote. Madam Campaign Manager, we should talk, and the team here. This time round, I want to see the constituencies to take charge of this campaign. Each constituency must take charge of this campaign. In another 10 days, madam, I want the list from each polling station. There are 33 words. We want a list of polling agents. If not, ngataone kabanji kwa huyu ali weak, huyu out. Huyu ali strong in. That is part of the campaign. Because the people are with us. But we are doing things wrongly, right? And don't even. Ndana in the polling station takale polling agent because of 100 kwacha. Isa kutenga kuti 100 kwacha. Yeye musatenga 100 kwacha. But your mind and your heart must be to protect the vote there. So you, the constituencies that mulipo pano, start looking at your structure. Youth wing. I don't know where the youth leaders are here. You are here. Very good guys. I want to see you working with the constituencies, working, youth and women, working with the campaign management structure. We start saying, Nakatindi polling station, uyu, nuokosa, azankara mu polling station, the polling agent. You yourselves. So now we are giving you that power. Because Makondo come back to your sidelines. Sleep no better way to your sideline. The campaign is yours. We only are there to work under you. In any Kabwela constituency, I am going to work under you. You senior guys, you have this habit of complaining that me, I can't work under a constituency official. No! They are the owners of the constituency. We will work under them. But if we are working under you, you must truly provide leadership. What's that Kutaba? No. So, Vice President, myself, everybody, MPs, we will come and work under you. Under you. Provincial Chairman, we will work under you. The campaign managers are there to facilitate, to guide, but you should deliver this mayor, Nyamatau, our candidate. I think Nakamba Kwambi. But before I bring the candidate, on the things I've talked about, two key things: campaigning, mobilizing, taking our voters, taking ourselves to vote, and then voter protection and vote protection. Third thing I want to say, don't be deceived by PF and the meetings they're calling us at Electoral Commission. We have already given you the guidelines. I don't want to hear you crying in Lusaka. I'm tired of seeing people at my gate. You must defend yourselves. Let me come Mchinyanja. Sinifuna kumvera ati bakumenyani kudala mulira kuja kwa mandevu. Kuchawama mulikulira. Imwe mulipe manja. Mulipe nzeru. Akakuchita attack wa PF, defend yourselves to the best of ability, even attack 10 times more. Mumakonda ukamba sigino ilikuti iyo sigino iyo liko sigino kuzawa na zamani mzati mulira ati bakumenya ni polling station wachoka mu polling station G12 chi certificate wachisi ya polling station wasiya ba PF balemba na baisize basebenza na ba PF. Only us can protect our vote. You are attacked, you defend yourselves. Maimbera signal. Muchilanga munakwira nchito my youth nifuno zikomo. Don't walk backwards. In Chilanga we turn the corner. We are proud of you. We will give you more support, better support. My youth, women, all of us. But defend yourselves. Where I grew up, we looked after cattle. Even at an age of 3 years, 4 years, you were given a duty. And you go with other boys there. Every day you come home, you are crying. Your mother picks a stick and hits you. You go and report to your father picks a bigger stick and hits you. Say, enata waliwa lomba inanyoko baya bakuma. Wajabakumenya sibantu. Third day nayo unkala na kaplani mukasheti waika ka mtengo ka. Umuziba behavior yake akabwela tena manja hapo nicha akalipo organiza. After kumucha now ndiye kumucha jikofi alila yasira ngoma. Honestly, it's not a joke. Not a joke. How many times are we going to be hearing this story? Same story. Only wild animals don't react like that. You are human beings, you must react. And that is not breaking the law. Yeah, GBM, have you seen Kakamba so manje bambo yanga na pants manje? Man. Also yanga na pants. Walk with your heads high, huh? Defend yourselves. On a more serious note, defend yourselves, because it's not right that people can be treated the way we are being treated. This is our country also. Are you not citizens of this country? Muzata bila kuti, Muzata bila kuti. Uzaenda ku Malawi? Muzaenda ku Zimbabwe? Muzaenda kuti? Enango ngatabire ku Malawi azivika. Manje muzatabira kuti kai. Muziva chalo chimodzi chabe. Zambia. Nthawi yaenda. Let me introduce the candidate, Madam Kangwa. Madam Kangwa, please stand up and come here. When I started talking, thank you. Come here. And yourself, come here. When I started talking, I did not thank everybody who is here. But thank you to everybody, all the senior people, VP, everybody, SG, everybody. People take offense on small issues. I want you to take offense on big issues. Ayinesibana ni poshe ukalipira mwenzako. Waleka wa PF amenya nkondo, amenya bantu wako. Kuma ukalipira mwenzako. Atsana sekeseke bwino. Tobalomba na gatuseka mbuli tuliwa maka into weyandana. Ino tobalomba na tutali weyandana. Chike ina. Uli nkondo hapa. Sio? Zambia. So respecting all of you, thank you so much. But here is our candidate. Pastor Kangwa. Who doesn't know Pastor Kangwa Murusa? Jason Kabanana. Zambia. Kai ni maona social media tuwa UPND ikamutu wasa zivika. Ndiye ndani saziva Kangwa. A very straightforward young man, very consistent. Last time we did not adopt him in Monali. We talked to him. He did not file independent. That's a discipline we want. He is our candidate. Please, think of the discipline in the UPND. Think of the discipline. Move no win and kondo. Discipline is important. Kunali makandidates yambiri. Tinasanga Kangwa. Munasanga ndimu. We agreed. From here, Stephen Ombela tiai inenea kufuna uja. How are you helping UPND? You're not helping UPND. My candidate, your candidate, our candidate is Pastor Kangwa. Zambia? So let's be disciplined. We want to thank the Madam Kangwa, for allowing your husband, Madam, to serve the community. It's not easy. Your family will not be the same, your life will not be the same anymore. These people become part of you now. It's different, before and now. Your house is our house now. We thank you for allowing this man to serve the people of Lusaka and Zambia. We will give him support, but the first support comes from you. The first line of support comes from you. That's always works. I want to tell you that if I didn't have the support of my wife, I wouldn't be here today. If I didn't have her support, I wouldn't be here today. So you are the first line of support and defense for Pastor Kangwa. People will say a lot of things, stay the course. You know him, you need to explain. And sometimes I ask my wife, Zambia. So I asked my wife, is there another HH these people are talking about? My wife, do I do certain funny things when we sleep in the house in the night? She says, no, that's how people are. You are the defender of Kangwa. No day should you deviate from there. You guys are family, you love each other. You can't marry each other if you don't love each other. We are a bigger family now. We want to thank you, Madam, first. Before Kangwa speaks, I want the mama to greet the people who are here.
Thank you, Zambia! Zambia! First, my choir, I want us to sing a song to thank God. Amen? Tule mitote my number is like this, but Takwaba. Takwaba. ebe mbapovota mkuvota pa Kangwa Chileshe, not Jason Kabanana. Thank you.
Zambia, Zambia, Zambia. Nani mzani Zambia? Hakainde, 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 Chiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, GBM, 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 Chiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, Garingombo, 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 Chiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, Nakatuka, Nakatuka, Chiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, Naimenda, Naimenda, Kuchiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, Mujeleka, Mujeleka, Chiriko chinamulala, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, Namasebo, Namasebo, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile, Nawangoma, Nawangoma, Chiriko chinamulala, kutayimilile. Wabana bakwalesa, ndipo kutotela ba president akaende chema, ba president wandi, ndipo kutotela ba vice president wa GBM, Bachana Rumango Bashipano, Bonse, Kuneki, Bonse ku NMC, na mwe nende foku mitotela, defo na mtotela lesa, mwa wombe ni mkwai. Ba presidenti, ba UPND, ba kupasani Mbusa, ba kupasani Msepera, ba kupasani Mpondo, ba kupasani Jimbo. So inkondo hii, stingaluze. Ufabalekelela, azimai mlipo, azimai mlipo, tizabeta, majimbo erikuti, tietona majimbo mlikuti. Wasedeza kudala, ineniami kila mulungu, ziko mkwa mbili, mungu wa kutati sani maningi. But Mr. President, thank you, sir.
Zambia, I think we are all agreed, one candidate. I don't want to see you on your Facebook. I'm requesting on your social media, talking about the adoption process in Apitaija. Let's talk about Kangwa and UPND. I am told the PF have brought another woman, but who is going to run as an independent, called Chileshe also, so that you can be confused. But you cannot be confused. How can you miss Kangwa's face? How can you miss Kangwa's face? How can you miss this sign? This sign is distinctive. Oh, Kangwa suna one buino picture sini buino. By the way, we must make sure we see the picture that's going on the ballot. Proper picture. Proper picture. Ngati mwasowa picture face ya muntu, ngope ya muntu kwanja. Ni kwanja chadaini. So you must teach the people. I think we must thank you for all your hard work today. Please don't forget the message we've given you. I think we must go home quietly. Before you move, we need a prayer. Before you move, guys, we need a prayer. God must lead us. A quick prayer, Master of Ceremony.
Tipempere oyela ndili Mulungu Atate mnalenga kumwamba ndiskola